Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daizshanaemarie, and today we're just gonna do like a pink Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. Actually, if I'm gonna be honest, this was filmed in April of 2024, but I'm just now editing it, and I just figured it would be cute for Valentine's Day. I first went in with Juvia's Place, the Sweet Pinks palette. I went in with the bottom left corner shade, and that's just gonna be my base. I normally don't like really prep my eyelid. Like if there's concealer on it, it's mainly just because I blended my face, but I don't actually add extra concealer. Now I'm going in with this deeper pink shade. It looks different on camera than like the photo I have up here, but you can see that it's a lot darker than what it showed. I don't know what was up with the lighting and everything. But yeah, this is just gonna go into my outer corner. I don't know what the vibes were of this. I definitely just was like, let's just do a whole bunch of pink. Um, and I didn't like film like my base routine. Like I was stressed during this entire like filming. I think I was like running out of time. Like we were trying to like meet people and I was like rushing. So yeah, I also use that pink and I bring it down to my bottom like lash line and everything. I love doing this. This is like my favorite. Like it just makes everything more cohesive in my opinion. Now I'm going in with the Eva Expressions Glimmer palette, and this shade, I don't recall what the name is. But it looked pink on pan, and like it's a duochrome palette, right? And I forgot that it was like that. And I was like, shoot, I did not want to do this blue, but I kind of made it work because then I went back in with that Juvia's Place and I took that deeper hot pink glitter and I just used it to like blend more of that glitter palette together. And then I also brought it onto my lash line as well. This is something I don't normally do, but I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. So yeah, this is like some type of inspo if you're not wanting to do like if you want to do a fun look for Valentine's Day. Um this I can do a different video if you guys would like me to, just let me know. So that I can get that filmed and uploaded for you guys. But yeah, I also like had to like my camera kept on dying, so some of these clips aren't really like in sync. So I then went in with my LA Girl, um, I think it's an eyeliner pencil, but I'm using it as a lip liner. And this, everything was just like not going wrong, but like I just felt so rushed. So it just wasn't my favorite look, but I just figured, like somebody might like it. This is just going to be a brown lip combo, and it's like a deep brown lip liner. And then I go in with my Sephora collection cream lip stain. I use two different shades. I use a lighter shade for the like inner part of my lips, and then I go back over that lip liner with a deeper shade. I think, okay, like I said, this was filmed in April. Um, I looked on Sephora's website. They don't look like the same shades that I actually have, so I think they kind of got rid of them. I just chose the ones that looked a little bit similar. Either they got rid of them or they changed the names. Okay, my hair changed. My hair changed because like I was trying to figure out like what type of hairstyle I was going to do. My hair was blown out and yeah. It's going to go back into like a puff at the end. But now for mascara, I'm going in with Lancome Lash Idol mascara, and this like I think I'm on like my third bottle or second bottle. It's my favorite. If you saw my 2023 like makeup wrapped, that was one of my favorites. And right here I'm like talking to my mom trying to see if like she likes my hair. She kind of did not, but like she said it in a different type of way. This eyeliner, I'm not exactly sure what eyeliner I used. Um, yeah, it might have been like the ELF, ELF. This is also from like an old eyeliner, so like it's like the double-ended one. But yeah, that's basically it for this look. Let me know if you guys like it. I was like so stressed. I was not sure, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that